Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Can't Yo here, back again with another tutorial. In today's tutorial I have this super slacky tech trick for you. It will help you get into those more dense slack tricks. So yeah, I'm super happy to be teaching it to you today. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Missed the bind, but that's what the trick looks like. Two things before we get into this video. I'm going to be using the Edge Beyond, and this video is obviously sponsored by yoyo UK. You can find them in the link in the description. You can use code Kieran5 for 5% off. Okay, enough dilly-dallying, let's get on with this tutorial. So you're going to start off in your basic trapeze, and you're going to make this chopstick wrap like so. Next, you're going to put the yo-yo in from the back like that. And then you're going to roll onto it like so. So you're just going to mount it on. Then you're going to roll over like so. And that is how you start this trick off. Okay, so from here you're going to pinch with all four of your fingers here on your throw hand. And then let go of that string with your thumb. This will create a slack. From here you're going to roll the yo-yo and the slack over. And then you're going to attempt to land on this string here, right? But you're going to make sure that the slack goes around it. So you're sort of in like this fake tower mount. From here, you're going to drop that slack off the back and then unroll it. So you should just be in this like slack trapeze sort of thing. Then you're going to roll on like going into a brother, keeping this slack. And then you're going to engage the slack with the back of the yo. From here, you're going to roll over, and then you're going to drop this slack off the front of the yo-yo this time, and then roll into another brother. Okay, from here, you're going to pinch and then do 2 rolls, like so, and then on that second roll, you're going to actually undercut that string. Okay, from here, you're going to pinch here with your non-throw hand. And then you're just going to roll over and try and get this slack to form. Now, if you do this fast enough and with enough power, it will hit the back of your hand. Right, but it's okay if it doesn't. The main thing that you want to happen is for this slack to go into the gap of the yo-yo like so. Okay, from here you're going to roll onto this, like onto this string where the trapeze forms, and then pop up, and then just have it slam into that string like so. Then you're going to uncross your arms, and then bind. I know this trick's a lot, but it's actually quite simple once you just think about how the mounts actually form. So I'll go through it one more time, and then send you on your merry way. So you're going to land in a trapeze, chopstick, mount that, roll over, pinch with your whole hand, slack, and there, drop the slack off the back, brother, engage with the back, roll over, drop the slack off the front this time, run to another brother, double like slack thingy, slack over, hit the wrist, drop into the yo-yo to form a trapeze, then cross, bounce, uncross, bind. Okay, so that's the whole trick. If you're having trouble learning it, be sure to message me at Kieran Can't Yo on Instagram. I'll also leave that linked in the description. Otherwise, yeah, peace.